One of the most loved iOS 18 features is the vocal shortcut. What makes it so cool is the ability to let you instantly trigger your favorite actions using custom phrases. Interestingly, you can also change your iPhone rotation lock with a vocal shortcut. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get us started, first up, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Then select Accessibility. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and choose Vocal Shortcuts. And then you have to tap on Add Action or tap on Set a Vocal Shortcuts if it is the first time you are going to use this brand new feature. And then you have to tap on Continue to proceed. And under the System section, you have to choose Lock Rotation. And then you have to enter a custom phrase through which you want to activate the lock rotation on your iPhone. For instance, lock, and finally you have to verify this custom phrase by speaking it 3 times and you are all set. From now onward, you can change the rotation lock of your iPhone by just saying lock. Just like this. Super handy, isn't it? Now that you have unlocked this handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and happy. Bye-bye.